Sesifikile nendaba ezikhamba phambili zanamhlanje esibethulela zona bunqopha ukusuka emzimkhulu wezorhatshe Auckland Park eJohannesburg. Nanzi ezithujileko.
The first and second respondents are interdicted from proceeding with the public impeachment hearings in terms of Rule 129 capital M of the National Assembly Rules.
Ikhotho kaMagistrata weTjingalanga Kapa ivumele umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ukuthi ajamise ikambiso yekomiti yeParliament emphenyako.
The judiciary has consistently protected Mr. Ramaphosa.
We abide by the judgment and Parliament must continue doing its work.
Inhlangano zepolitiki ziveze amazizwe ahlukaneko ngesiqundo sekhotho.
That's your problem.
No.
Let me tell you, let me take you, for the sake that you think by employing more than 200 South Africans, you've got a right to employ 8.
I don't
wait,
have a right,
that's what you're saying.
Permits, those are permits.
Kubotshwe umqatshi oqatsha amaphandle anganamaphepha ebhizinisini akhe kunye namaphandle alithumi ePitori. Kwaba kuhle ukuhlanganiswa zindaba gudu ke-SABC 1 ngesindebele lotshane emakhaya. Ikhotho ephakemeko yeTjingalanga Kapa ikhuphe isiqundo esisekela umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa begodu yakhandela ikomiti ephenya izenzo zokuziphatha kwakamengameli ukuthi irage nokumphenya. Umengameli uRamaphosa waya ekhotho ngenyanga epheleko afuna ukujanyiswa ikambiso emphenyako khona kuzokubuyekezwa umbiko webandla elizijameleko lendinyana isection 89. Umbiko lo wathola bona kunobufakazi obaneleko bokuthi aphendule ngendaba yeplasini iphalaphala.
Sisigwebo ebesilindwe ngamehlo abomvu ngamaqela achaphazelekayo. Inkundla 18 kulapho lombandela wamanyelwa khona iintsuku ezimbini kwiveke phelileyo. Amaqela achaphazelekayo ebethumele abameli kodwa inkcubabuchopho zamagqwetha ebezixoxa bezingekho. Isigqibo sesininzi sejaji sithathe nje imizuzu embalwa.
The first and second respondents are interdicted from proceeding with the public impeachment hearings in terms of Rule 129 capital M of the National Assembly Rules.
We need to deal with illegal migration.
Umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa ibinguye ofake isicelo besixhenxe abamphikisyo. Ibingusomlomo weParlamente uThoko Didiza, usihlalo wekomiti uMakhashule Gana, ilungu leParlamente le-ATM uVuyo Lwethu Zungula, iqela le-EFF, iqela le-ATM, iqela le-MKP kwakunye neqela le-UAT.
We have got a work that we must undertake to look together with our legal advisors in Parliament to determine the exact implication of this judgment on the whole process that we have been directed to undertake in terms of the judgment of the Constitutional Court.
Ikomiti ejongene nokususwa kukamongameli esikhundleni yasekwa emva kwesigqibo senkundla yomgaqo siseko ngoMeyi iyalela iParlamente ukuba iphande ngelithi umongameli Ramaphosa asuswe kusini na eofisini. Tingilula Mamatya wendaba ze-SABC eKapa.
Inhlangano zepolitiki ziphefumule ngesiqundo esikhutshwa ikhotho ephakemeko yeTjingalanga Kapa esivumela isibawo sikaMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa.
African Transformation Movement ithi izokukhulumisana namagqwethayo ngesahlulelo sekhotho. Kanti kandelelo ukuthi iParlamente inomsebenzi wokuqinisekisa ukuziphendulela ngokubuthelela ubufakazi nokuphenyisisa ngendaba yephalaphala.
It would be failing South Africans as members of Parliament if we don't get evidence, we don't get the truth and answers when it comes to having an inquiry.
IDA ithi nanyana sivunyelwe isibawo sikaMengameli, ikomiti yeParlament ingaragela phambili nomunye umsebenzi njengokulungisa ihelo labofakazi kuqatshwa abaholi bobufakazi hlangana nokhunye.
We find ourselves in a position where a president has had to go to the courts to stop to stop Parliament from doing its job, which is a bizarre set of circumstances.
I-MK Party ithi idanile ngesahlulelo sekhotho. Ikandelelo ukuthi lokhu sekungezinye izindlela zomthetho zokukhandela umengameli ukuthi aziphendulele.
Disappointed, but it's not unexpected. The judiciary has consistently protected Mr. Ramaphosa.
I-EFF ithi abe akrari lokhu. Ithi vele umengameli unomlando wokubalekela ukuziphendulela.
If you go back, you will notice that the president himself denied that his son was involved in the Bosasa deal. Later on, he came back, he admitted.
I-Rise Mzansi yona ithi iyasihlonipha isiqondo sekhotho.
We abide by the judgment and Parliament must continue doing its work as it best fits sees.
Isibawo sokubuyekezwa sizokulalelwa ngoKhukhulamungu.
Ukulandelela isiqundo sekhotho seTjingalanga Kapa sokujamisa ikomiti yeParlamente ukuthi iphenye indaba yephalaphala sikhulumisana no-Advocate JB Sibanyoni isazi ngezomthetho. Akwande babo Sibanyoni, isiqundo sekhothwesi sitsho ukuthini emntwini ongazwisisi indaba zomthetho mayelana nokuthi umengameli ajamise ikambiso yekomiti yeParlamente bona imphenye?
Lesi siqundo sekhotho yaseTjingalanga Kapa ngifuna ukusihlathulula ukuthi kuyisiqundo esiye ngokuthi iningi lamajaji la ekadalalele lesi sibawo isihabako sika President Ramaphosa ahlukene phakathi. Likhona ijaji elithe laba abaphikisako ukuthi isiqundo namkha isibawo esifakwe ngumengameli Ramaphosa singarageli phambili. Linye ijaji elithe baphumelele laba abaphikisako ukuthi singaphasiswa lesi sibawo. Kwase kuthi ijaji lesibili lathi lona livuma ukuthi uPresident Ramaphosa akaphumelele ngalesi sibawo asenzako sokujamisa iParliament khulukhulu ikomiti le ekuthiwa impeachment committee ukuthi ke ijame isikhatshanyana bekufike inyanga yaka September lapho uPresident Ramaphosa abawe khona ukuthi ake kubuyekezwe namkha uchijila ngesiqundo esakhutshwa nguJudge uSandile Ngcobo. Ukhona kathi kunobufakazi obuphathekako obufuna ukuthi akaphendule. Kwase kuthi nejaji lesithathu lamaswaphelo lavumelana naleli jaji lesibili. Aloke ngokomthetho vane kuyiwe ukuthi kukhona mhlawumbe ijaji eliphuma lodwa ecadi ngesikhuwa sithi dissenting judgment. Bese kuthi kuyaqala ukuthi abaningi namkha iningi majority ithini mabili emajajini athathu. Ngakho ke lesi siqundo ke kuphendula umbuzo wakho sisho ukuthi iphumelele i-application namkha isibawo esihabako sika president ukuthi ke bajame lapha yana ngeParliament bangarageli phambili.
Ingabe umengameli usebenzisa umthetho lo ukuliya ukusebenza kweParliament?
Na uqala isiqundo esikhutshwe ikhotho yomthetho sisekelo ekuyikhotho enechumi lamajaji nejaji linye ungabona ukuthi uya wenza ukuthi kuriyade kwabe ikhotho yathi iParliament kufanele isungule ikomiti ekungiyo ezakuhlolisisa ngokunabileko namkha ngokuzimeleleko begodu balungise ukhona umthetho esithi rule 29 ukuthi naba khulumako benza izinto kungayi ngokuthi inengi namkha imajority ithini kodwa ke kufanele bangene ngokudzimeleleko endabeni leyo. Aloke isiqundo esikhutshwa ikhotho ephakemeko esithi Apex Court ekulu kudlula wonke amanye amakhotho vane sithi ngiyo ekufanele ilandelwe. Ngakho ke nawuqalako kusho ukuthi kwenza ukuthi kuthathe isikhathi kulindwe inyanga yaka September noma kuphumelele ukuthi kuyaphumelela lokha ukubeka ngeqadi isiqundo sakhutshwa ngo Chief Justice wekadeni uSandile Ngcobo. Kodwa ke singabona sekuyiwa nalena ekhotho yokubilayela namkha yokuchijila iSupreme Court of Appeal eseBloemfontein eMangaung. Kwesinye isikhathi kungenzeka ukuthi mhlawumbeni baqonde bunqopha ekhotho yomthetho sisekelo esithi iConstitutional Court enechumi lamajaji nejaji linye vane kukhulunywe nge-direct access to the Constitutional Court ukuthi Constitutional Court keni ihlalise kuhle ngoba nina ngini enikhuphe isiqundo sokuthi sisebenze eParliament nakho ke ikhotho yaseKapa seyasivimba isibamba izandla ukuthi singasebenzi bese ke iyahlathulula ke i-Constitutional Court ukuthi ithini. Yingakho ke uba nombono ukuthi sekuriyada okungenza ukuthi kuze kuphele nesikhathi sokuba umengameli kuka President Ramaphosa solo kugijinywa emakhotho kuthi nase kuphele isikhathi athi awangisesenguye umengameli kufana nokuthi ikukhu ibalekile amanzi akaphalazi.
Siyakuthokoza Bhangela ukuba nawe namhlanje.
Thokoze Myepi, thokoze nakubabukeli.
Amagqwetha kaKarim ajamile ekutheni ukubonakala kukaKarim esidlweni semini esithabathabeni sentolo esithileko ngelanga igade afanele athule ngalo ubufakazi phambi kwekomishini kaMadlanga akutsho ukuthi ubengaguli kanti athi kungakho njenganje afuna ukuthi uKarim ayokuhlola ngokukhethekileko ubujamo bakhe bepilo ukuqinisekisa ukuthi imbala incwadi kaDokotela iqinisile ukuthi ubegula nanyana agade angasise esibedlela nje nanyana kunjalo ikomishini ayithathi leyo begodu nasiza emoyeni bekusachukwana mayelana nendaba le phambi kwekomishini kaMadlanga ehlezi ePitori.
From where I'm sitting, I don't think you need the second point, and I repeat, I think it's a weak point for purposes of this should not be flighted.
I'm caught between a rock and a hard place because during my learned friend's submissions, she may flight the exact to make the exact point that Chair is putting to me, which is because he was at X place, that brings into doubt the medical evidence. And in fact, that is the Commission's case because in their affidavit, they call my client, with all due respect, gratuitously an inverse outpatient. So the very attitude of the Commission through the evidence leaders is not to say that, oh, this is a benign piece of evidence, the CCTV footage. The entire thesis underlying their opposition to the postponement and why they want to tie down my client to a specific date is to say the fact of these movements, the fact of these payments, the fact of that he's not in the hospital all the time brings into doubt the medical diagnosis that the clinician has given him. And that's the further reason as to why we need an independent medical exam.
To make sure that I will not be misunderstood, the question whether Mr. Karim's movements show a pattern that is at odds with what we have been told, that's central to the evidence leader's case. So what I said earlier did not suggest that Ms. Hassim is likely not to argue such a case.
Agreed.
But I'm making a different point. That case can be argued without the need to actually flight the footage.
Agreed.
Why not? Exactly because it's agreed that at the time, on the day, Mr. Karim was at a shopping complex in Durbanville.
Kubotshwa amaphandle alithumi nabaqatshi babo ngesikhathi kwenziwa ijima lokusearcha ebeliqothela abasebenzi nokuphulwa komthetho wakungena nokuphuma kwamaphandle ePitori.
Abaphathi bekampani iAmka Products neCortex Textile babanjwe bangakalindeli siqhema ebesidosa phambili ijima lokusearcha.
There's 220
No, it doesn't
employees.
matter. That's your problem.
No.
Let me tell you. Well, let me take you. For the sake that you think by employing more than 200 South Africans, you've got a right to employ 80.
I don't
wait,
have a
wait,
right,
wait. That's
but
what
I
you're
have
saying.
permits.
Wait,
Those are
listen.
permits.
They don't. We wouldn't be taking them.
Abasebenzi aba baveze ezinye zentshijilo abaqalana nazo hlangana nazo babale ukuphulwa komthetho wabasebenzi wesilinganiso semali ekufuze baholelwe yona ngaphasi komthetho wabasebenzi kunye nomthetho wokungena nokuphuma kwamaphandle.
Akune professional fund arine increase
How many years?
13 years ke bereka mo tloka kwala ka 5 ke late kama HR weta ka uniform santsho sane uniform ba re o latetswe ba fetsa ba tlo fa uniform ya gore wa apare safety boots ke diputsi tsa ka se tsa company ke uniform ya ka apara lo ke sonze ke sa uniform ya gore ke apere di pushile.
Amaphandle alichumi abotshiweko nomqaji wabo kutholakele ukuthi bebangalandeli umthetho wabasebenzi i-Labor Relations Act.
It's very common. A person who must come and work, you have the laws, they are out there, they are known by you. You have employed professionals in terms of HR who advise you that this person is not supposed to be working in the country. And then that's it. We'll just apply the law. That's why we are taking him in.
The Minimum Wage Act is not being observed. At times they work beyond the 12-hour shift, which they are not paid for. They are not registered, some of them with UIF, they are not registered with compensation fund, some don't have even contracts.
Imphathimandla zithi kukokuthoma kwenziwa amajima afana nala ngesikhathi sinye emfundeni zonke ezilithoba. Bathembise ukuthi bazokuraga nokuqinisekisa ukuthi kulandelwa imithetho yabasebenzi nokuqinisekisa ukuthi kubekelelwa phambili amaSouth Africa naqatshwako.
Nasibuya entolo.
Nakusesenjalo amapholisa weMpumalanga abopha abasebenzi beplasini lenkomazi abadabuke eMozambique abali-18.
More than 3 solo ngibhalisa kuthiwa kuyabhaliswa ama-RDP ngingawatholi.
Lokhu ize iphuma manje ngaba nenjabulo lenkulu kakhulu kabi ukuthi ngize ngiyithole.
Ngemva kweminyaka ema-20 yonke bahlala emhlahlaneni yedaka namaplanka namhlanje bayokulala ubuthongo ngezindlini ezitshatsha. Indaba sekhona lapha mbukeli kanti nazi kuphundileke indaba ezi uyazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. Asirage nazo. Abahlali beplasini bagandelele ukuthi kaningi abatshejwa emphakathini yabo njengoba nabasaraga nokuhlala ngaphasi kobujamo obungasibuhle abaphakelwa insiza ezifana namanzi, igezi kunye nezindlu ngefanelo. Lokhu bujamo babantu abaningi esele balinde iminyaka ukunikelwa izindlu eMpumalanga. Uhulumende unikele ngezindlu ezingaphezulu kwama200 endaweni le.
Abahlali bemaplasini badose emhlweni. Imndeni ikhulisela inzukulwane zabo endlini zedaka nezakhiwe ngamaplanka. Abanamanzi, igezi ngisho nesithunzi sabo siqalelwe phasi. Umhlahlana lo likhaya lika Samson Mhlanga. Isakheko sakhona singagirika nanyana kunini. Namhlanje lokhu kufike emaphethelweni njenganje selamnikazi wendlu ye-RDP enefurniture yonke, amanzi negezi.
Esidakaneni bengihlala kabi, bengime kabi kakhulu. Nginetha ngakhoni kulala. Lokhu ize iphuma manje ngaba nenjabulo lenkulu kakhulu kabi ukuthi ngize ngiyithole.
Uthoko Mavuso oneminyaka ema-64 obudala udlule ebudisini obufanako. Uqede impilo yakhe yonke emaplasini ahlala endlini yedaka. Ulinde iminyaka ema-20 yonke ngaphambi kokubana anikelwe indlu.
Ngabhalisa ngiyabona more than 3 solo ngibhalisa kuthiwa kuyabhaliswa ama-RDP ngingawatholi. Kwaze kwathi ke kulonyaka lo ngakhathi ngitholi i-RDP.
Uhulumende unikele ngezindlu ezingaphezulu kwama200 endaweni le enyangeni ezimbalwa ezidluleko.
Njengomkhandlu sibona kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi masibe nama-service sites lapha emsukaleni ukuthi abakwazi ukuzakhela abahluleka kusokwazi ukubakhela ngehlelo le-government lapho siwakhela abantu abadala, abantu abakhubazekileko kanye nabantwana bentandane.
Siwe nje isithunzi semindeni le kodwana kwabanye kuseselibhudango okunikelwa indlu.
Abalingisi abahlukahlukeneko nabavumi bahlanganyele nomndeni womlingisi ongumakekere uSiputla Sibohodi ekonzweni yesikhumbuzo sakhe ePolokwane eLimpopo. uSibohodi ubhubhe ngeveke epheleko ngemva kokugula uyokungcwatshwa kusasa emathuneni weSilicon.
Kerekeng nako e kgolo le nyane o ile a tshwenya ke maoto
mo nkile a tshwenya ke maoto a tsamaya ka di-crutches so be ke mo eteta o ya ko kerekeng ya St.Ignace be ke tsamaya le yena ebile ke boya le yena le ko kerekeng be ke ntse ke etetjana le yena ke re ke kole botlhoko le nkamile le kwa ke dulang wa o tseba ke motho ya fela nketela ka gae ke motho mongwe o rata wa moela baeng wa tseba le khone gore ke tlile ka pelo ya botlhoko mara ke re mokamedi ya renang o tseba se re se tlhokang
kezemali ranta lihlile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu.
Siyathokoza Cedric siloshisile ekhaya endaba mangele sihlanu sikutshejela lapha ke ubujamo bezulu livulile ngapha ngetjingalanga kutshinga phakathi nenarha yeSouth Africa nakya lapha ePumalanga Kapa livale ngamafu kanti ngamathuba wezulu nge30% mancane hle ngegwini elingaleke nge KZN kanti ke nasibona kusasa lapha abantu batsheje khulu bayelele ngale ngetjingalanga ngegwini sibona lapha ikungu nalapha endaweni zange George kuthi ke nakezinye indawo ezifana nalapha ke ngeDurban nangale ngeRichards Bay kwezinye indawo awanokho ke livulile sithole lapha ke isilemukiso sibona lapha ke ilwandle libukhali ngale ngegwini elingale ngeKZN tshejani ke kilesa sifunda sokuchidela ukwazi ukuthi ubona amazinga okuchisa sithoma ngapha ngeGauteng ebusuku nekuseni kulala kuvuke kumakhaza ngokuhamba kwesikhathi buya nganeno ePitori nge21 Bronkhospruit nge20 eJohannesburg pheze imini yonke kumakhaza nge19 ngemva kwamadina kuselimpopo lapha ke nakhona ebusuku nekuseni kulala kuvuke kumakhaza idzanini pheze imini yonke kuthi ke ezinye indawo sifunda siyaphola liphalale nge23 kusempumalanga ke lapha ke sibona khona kusesikhukhuza kwaphela lapho kufuthumele khona nge25 ngemva kwamadina kuthi ke ezinye indawo konke kumakhaza imini yonke isifunda sonke nokho kubomhlanga kwaGafontein nabo siyabuswa libuye liphole ngabo 23 KwaZulu Natal le yake nayo ebusuku nekuseni kumakhaza hle khulukhulu eKokstad ngokuhamba kwesikhathi nokho ke iDurban neRichards Bay ziyaphola nge21 lapha kusePumalanga Kapa ke enxuba makhaza khulu ebusuku nge-1 ngokuhamba kwesikhathi isifunda siyaphola kule ndawo nge20 kezinye indawo ke kumakhaza napheze imini yonke eJingalanga Kapa lapha eCape Town ngemva kwamadina i20 lifuthumele endaweni ezifana nalapha ke eClan William Fredendal yachisa nge30 yona ke kuthi kezinye indawo kupholile Hlagwini Kapa ibonakala ebusuku nekuseni kulala kuvuke kumakhaza ngokuhamba kwesikhathi Calvinia futhumele nge20 endaweni ezifana nalapha kuBokhimbali Appington khona ke kupholile nge23 iFreystata ebusuku nekuseni kumakhaza hle nakhona njengakezinye indawo eBloemfontein ngokuhamba kwesikhathi sifunda siyaphola nge20 Fixburg nge18 kumakhaza imini yonke ngokugcina iNorth West nayo ke lala kuvuke kumakhaza Mbathani nifuthumele ngokuhamba kwesikhathi isifunda pheze sonke ke ngemva kwamadina siyafuthumala kube iphela veke emnandi dido
Kesimbi yakhomba kulandela zesizulu umusa